Okay, let's move. Electrostatic potentials. Electrostatic potentials at any point in a region with electrostatic field is the work done by an external agent in bringing a unit positive test charge from infinity to that point along any arbitrary path. It means it does not depend upon the path. Okay, so electrostatic potential equal to work done by external agents divided by unit positive test charge. Okay, जदि यो एक्सटर्नल एजेंट को आमे इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक वर्क अनुसार रिप्रेजेंट करिबा, सो दिस शुड बी नेगेटिव ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक वर्क बाय यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज. Okay, the unit of the electrostatic potentials is work done unit called joule per coulomb. Okay, so this is the electrostatic potentials. It means गोटे सपोज ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्यू अछि, जदि मते डिस्टेंस आर रे मते इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल्स पचरा गला, तेबे गोटे यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को फ्रॉम इन्फिनिटी रु मते एई पॉइंट पर्यंत आने पड़ले जेति की वर्क डन मते करिया को हबो सेटा होछ को इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल्स. एटी इन्फिनिटी काई नि आइछि ना रेफरेंस पॉइंट at infinity potential equal to 0 assume kora heichi. Okay, so this is the electrostatic potential. Next, potential due to a point charge. Suppose a positive charge q at origins O, okay, and at a distance p is the point. Suppose distance is r. Okay, so if we calculate the electrostatic potential at point p, we must be calculate the work done to bring a unit positive test charge from infinity to that point. Okay, suppose unit positive test charge q0. Suppose this is the unit positive test charge. So suppose p dash a intermediate point and the distance of p dash from O is x. Okay, so at p dash, suppose small work done to move a small distance dx, to unit positive charge. Okay, so work done for a small distance will be f dx. Okay, so this will be f dx cos theta. Okay, and here the f is the electrostatic force and the direction is the opposite to the work done. Okay, so the here theta is 180 degree. Here theta is 180 degree, and this should be as f minus f dx. Okay, and the electrostatic force at p dash, so f equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q and q naught, q and q0 divided by x square. This is the electrostatic force, and put the formula this. Okay, put the formula of electrostatic force. This will be minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q0 by x square dx, and integrating both sides dw from 0 to w, and this minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q0, okay, 1 by x square dx. This is limit from infinity to the point r. Infinity to the point r. Okay, so double work done, w is equal to it is 1 by x square dx. So इंटीग्रेट कितना होगा minus 1 by x. Okay, minus 1 by x. So this will be q naught by 4 pi epsilon. এটি x হওয়া কথা, এটি লিমিটেড কিতে r আছে, so r. Okay, this is the work done. So potential is work done by unit positive test charge. So potential equal to q by 4 pi epsilon r. Okay, so this is the potential due to a point charge at a distance r. Okay, so next, potential due to an electric dipole. Okay, electric dipole means two opposite charges. Suppose one charge minus q, okay, another charge plus q. Okay, suppose this is the negative charge and this is the positive charge. So this is the dipole. Suppose on point, at a point P, okay, at a point P, to find the electrostatic potentials. So this is the distance is a, and this is also the distance is a, and from negative to P, suppose R2, and from positive to P, suppose R1. Okay, and from the origin this distance is R. Okay, so potential at P due to negative charge. So potential P due to negative charge, suppose V2, okay, equal to K. Here K is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. K, this negative of Q, okay, minus Q by R2, and potential at P due to positive charge, suppose V1, this is K Q by R1. So net potential at P equal to V1 plus V2. So that is equal to K Q1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So then we calculate the R1. Okay, so let okay, then the perpendicular to this axis from the negative charge Q. Suppose this is the perpendicular. Okay, so suppose this is O, this is M, suppose X and Y. Okay, so the distance Px approximately equal to the distance PM. The distance Px approximately equal to distance PM, and PM equal to OP plus OM. Okay, OP plus OM, and this OM, suppose this angle is theta. Okay, the angle is the theta, and this angle also be theta. Okay, so OM equal to A cos theta. A cos theta. So PM or PX equal to OP plus R plus A cos theta. Okay. Similarly, if we draw a perpendicular from Y to this axis, suppose this is N, so this PN, okay, this PN approximately equal to PY, okay, and PN equal to OP minus ON. So ON is also A cos theta. Okay, so PN is equal to R minus A cos theta, and this is also equal to PY or R1, and this is also PX or R2, and put the value of R1, R2, put the value of the R1 and R2, if get or we find that potential at P equal to KQ by 1 by R1 R minus A cos theta, minus 1 by R plus A cos theta, and after calculates we find that K2Q A cos theta by R square minus A square cos square theta. Okay, and we know 2QA is the dipole moment. Okay, so this should be written as K P cos theta by R square minus A square cos square theta, and here A is R is very greater than A. Okay, R is the very greater than A, so this should be neglected, and this will be written as K P cos theta divided by R squares. Okay, this is the potential due to dipole, and if we write in the vector form, this P cos theta is written as P dot unit r vector. Okay, so this should be K P R by R squares. Okay, this is the potential due to an electric dipole. Okay, so potentials at 0 degree and at any value of the theta is be calculated, but in equatorial line, but in equatorial plane, the potential due to dipole is 0 due to the angle is the pi by 2. ओके सो इक्विटोरियल प्लेन रे पोटेंशियल केते हबो 0 ओके so next potential due to a system of charges okay if number of charges q1 q2 and q3 present in an electric field so potential at a point p delta distance r1 r2 r3 suppose the potential here is the v1 here v2 and here v3 so net potentials at pop is the sum of the v1 v2 and v3 okay and this should be k into q1 by r1 plus q2 by r2 plus k q3 by r3 so and for a uniform charge sphere okay uniform charge spheres the potential at outside the cell is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by distance r okay and for the inside the cell inside the cells the electric field is 0 so no work done occurs to bringing a charge okay so potential should be constant and this should be at the surface at 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r if we donate a graph versus potential against two distance so inside to the surface a constant graph and then it is inversely proportional to at a distance okay so next zero potentials due to a system of two charges okay if both charges are like similar charges like positive or negative then resultant potential is not zero at any finite point okay but when the two unlike charges q1 and minus q2 are separated at a distance d apart there are 2 points okay there are 2 points where net potential is zero one in between them and other is the outside them okay suppose charge q1 and another negative charge q2 separated by distance d okay so for inside net potential 0 suppose this is the distance x from q1 one point remember the net electric potential 0 is always nearer from the smaller magnitude of the charges okay nearer to the small magnitude of charges here suppose magnitude of q2 greater than magnitude of q1 okay so net potential 0 near the small charge suppose the distance x okay so the x should be so q1 by x equal to q2 by the distance d minus x okay d minus x and if we calculate x this should be d by q2 by q1 loss 1 okay and this is the inside points and for outside points suppose outside point the distance of the outside point where the net electric potential 0 this is the y okay so for outside point we return the distance q1 by y and that will q2 by this is d plus y and if we calculate y this should be d by q2 by q1 minus 1 so this is the point for inside and this is the point for outside, where the net electric potentials is 0. Okay, thanks. Let's move example 2.1. First bit given that calculate the potentials at a point P due to a charge. Okay, the charge is given, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb and located at a distance 9 centimeter away. Okay, the distance r is also given 9 centimeters and 0.09 meters. Okay, then find the potentials. The formula is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. Okay, then put the value and you calculate the potentials, and the value of the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per. Okay, so in second bits, let's obtain the work done in bringing a charge of 2 into 10 to the 9 coulomb. Okay, in second bit, another given charge 2 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. Okay, and from first bit we calculate the potential. The work done equal to potential into charge, and then we calculate the work done. Then does the answer depend on the path along which the charge is brought? No, the work done does not depend upon the path. Okay, work done does not depend on the path. Okay. Okay, next move the example 2.2. Two charges 3 into 10 to the minus 8 coulombs and minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulombs are located 15 centimeter apart. Okay, here is the charge 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb and another charge minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb, separated a distance 15 centimeters. Okay, the distance between them is 15 centimeters. So at what point on the line joining the two charges its electric potential is 0. So before lessons we learn that the electric potential 0 at 2 points, one inside them and other is the outside them, and always nearer to the smaller magnitude. So here is the 3 and minus 2. The smaller magnitude is the minus 2. Suppose this is the point where the neutral, the net electric potential is 0. Okay, so suppose the distance is x from the origin, and so the distance is 15 minus x, so 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 by x is equal to minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 from. So here the only taken the magnitude of charges. Okay, minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb into 15 minus x. Okay, then this will be cancels, and after calculations, so 2x equal to 45 minus 3x and 5x equal to 45, and x would be 45 by 5 equal to 9. Okay, so h should be 9 centimeters, where the net electric potential is 0. And another point where the net electric potential is 0, suppose the y. Okay, so we written 3 into 10 to the power minus 8, and the total distance is 15 plus y equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by y. Okay, so this should be usually cancels. So 3y equal to 30 plus 2y, and this y equal to 30. Okay, y equal to 30, and total distance, so total distance is equal to, so total distance equal to 30 plus 15 equal to 45 centimeters. So inside a distance from the 9 centimeters where the net electric potential is 0, and from outside the distance 45 centimeters where the net electric potential is 0. Okay, let's move example 2.3. Given that two figures, here the positive charge q and negative charge, and here is the negative charges, and here the point p, and here is the point q, and here is the point A, and here is the point B. Okay, so first bit, give the signs of the potential difference Vp minus Vq. Okay, so we know that potential is inversely proportional to the distance. Okay, so here Vp is greater than Vq, so here the sign is positive. Okay, and here given that Vb minus Va. Okay, so due to the negative charge, Vb is the less negative charge and Va is the more negative charge, so Vb minus Va also positive. Okay, and the second bit, give the signs of the potential energy difference of a small negative charge between the point Q and P, A and B. Okay, here is a small negative charge between the Q and P and A and B. Okay, so if a negative charges attracted towards the positive charge, okay, so we know the negative charge move from the higher potential to lower potential, so the potential energy is positive from Q and P. So Q and P potential energy is positive. Okay, and in A and B, the negative charges, okay, in A and B the negative charges away from the this negative charges, so this is the higher potential and this is the lower potentials, so this A and B also positive. Okay, and next, give the sign of the work done by the field in moving a small positive charge from Q to P. Okay, if we move a small positive charge from Q to P, we should work done by the agency positive, but by the field is negative. Okay, work done by the field is negative. Okay, and the point D, give the sign of work done by an external agency in moving a small negative charge from B to A. Okay, if we move a B to A negative charges, the work done by the external agency is positive, and here by the field is also negative. And last bit, okay, does the kinetic energy of a small negative charge increase or decreases in going from B to A? Okay, from B to A, this is the negative charge. If we move a negative charges, so the repulsion will occur. So the kinetic energy will decreases. Okay, due to the repulsion. So kinetic energy decrease due to repulsion. Okay, thank you.